Most businesses spend hundreds of dollars on a logo. But what if you could get a professional logo designed in minutes, even if you have zero design skills? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create a professional logo for your brand and the exact shortcut many startups use to get high-quality logos for under $30. Here's the problem. Designing a logo yourself can be frustrating. You have to learn complicated tools like Illustrator or Photoshop, understand fonts, colors, branding, and layout. Most beginners spend hours trying to design something that still looks amateur. And when your logo looks cheap, your brand instantly loses credibility. But there's a much easier option. Instead of learning design, many business owners simply hire professional logo designers online. One of the most popular platforms for this is Fiverr, where thousands of professional designers create logos starting as low as $10 to $30. You can browse portfolios, check reviews, and choose a designer whose style matches your brand. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Go to the Fiverr logo design category. Step 2. Browse designers and look for sellers with high ratings and strong portfolios. Step 3. Send them a short description of your business, your brand colors, and the style you want. Within a day or two, you'll receive a professionally designed logo ready for your website, social media, or products. If you want to check out some of the best logo designers currently available, I've linked a few highly rated options in the description below. These are the same designers many startups use to get clean, modern logos without spending hundreds of dollars. And if you're starting a business, a YouTube channel, or a brand online, a professional logo is one of the first things you should invest in. So check the link in the description to explore some of the top logo designers available right now. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos showing simple tools and services that can grow your business online.